than a decade, Max LED was established with a vision of providing high-quality LED lighting solutions for residential, commercial, outdoor, and other industrial lighting products. In accordance with the Make in India program, a high-tech manufacturing facility was set up in Kolkata along with a team of highly qualified electronic engineers and lighting professionals. Customer faith and satisfaction tops the list of priority at Techmax Lighting. It is research and development where it all begins. Techmax Lighting boasts of one of the best team of lighting designers and engineers that the lighting industry has. Our accomplished team of designers and engineers use the latest software along with the state-of-the-art equipments to translate ideas into implementation. Each and every design goes through various stages of refinement before being handed over to validation labs for a stringent series of tests. These include in-house integrated sphere, photogoniometer, surge generators, and various other test equipments. To make the blueprint into reality, our team of experts brainstormed through each and every aspect of design, quality, and commercial viability, which are the norms at Techmax Lighting, before the design passes muster and becomes the driving force for our process to roll on. Techmax Lighting hosts of various high-tech machines which give life to the products. Constant vigil is made on man and machines to ensure perfection each and every time. The ultra-high-tech state-of-the-art auto insertion section is the pride and joy of Techmax Lighting. Housed in a fully dust-free air-conditioned environment, these Japanese cutting-edge technology machines are best that the world of technology and the industry has to offer. Our production lines are manned with diligent personnel who work under our professional supervisors, who keep vigil at every point of production to ensure high-quality products in accordance with international standards. Before being packed, each and every product passes through our aging test machines, which are matched with highest industry standards. Being best in class, our products are licensed from the Bureau of Indian Standards as well as the Bureau of Bhutan Standards. Beating the industry trends, Techmax Lighting has witnessed year-on-year three-digit growth in the last few years. Not only in domestic market, our products sell in overseas market as well. Max LED products has been approved by many government institutions such as PWD and the Indian Railways. Innovation in the lighting industry changed the face of the world. Keeping up with the legacy forward, we are committed to change it further through more innovations. We welcome the change lighting industry has to offer that will transform our lifestyles. We pledge to come up with many more futuristic products to make the world a smarter, safer, and greener place to live in. Max LED, life just got brighter.